guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, today we are going to a special park. Let's see what it is. Good morning guys. So today we are going to a special park. So its timings were from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. So I woke up early and went straight to the park. This dog followed me half the way and the scenery was really good. I took a few pics. Here you go. And then continued walking to the park. This is the 2x speed video of me walking. Oh my god, this is really bad. The whole road is filled with trash. Guys, please try not to litter on the roads and public areas. The sound of the nature was really pleasing and it motivates me to go more faster and reach my destination more quicker. This used to be a dense forest, but now BDA had encroached it and cut down it. It used to be like this, filled with trees and greenery. I wish it regains its beauty. Okay guys, so I think I am quite close to the location. On the way I saw a banana farm and continued walking. Then saw this beautiful place and just took a rest right here. So we came so far. That's the banana farm and that's the place where I just sat. I spotted a few birds. They look really pretty. And now here we are. All these cars are for this park. You know what's special about this? This is the Oxygen Park. So the entrance fee for children is 5 rupees and for adults is 10 rupees and cyclists have to pay 40 rupees for entrance. No pets, no alcohol, no plastic and no trash. The timings are from 6 to 9 in the morning and 4 to 6 in the evening. So this is the park. You can see many types of insects and birds over here. I just took a small break right here and I'm all around vlogging. So here you go, the park. The trees are planted in a really good manner and it looks lovely. So there's a well and I think there is a place to sit. You can see all these birds, but you have to have a very good eyesight to spot them. So I went to that dome-like structure and it was just a drawing of butterfly pattern. And so I'm over here in the first junction. I can go that way or that way, oh, or that way or that way. Okay, so these Annas were filming some reel or something, I don't know, just like me. Good morning, Anna. Good morning, uncle. Oh, I spotted a bird. Oh, I see another one. Walking straight, I reached the end. So this is probably a 5 to 10 acre land and I'm middle of nowhere. So I am all around and there's no one around me and suddenly I lost track. So I asked for help, but no one was there, so I went more further. And then finally I got the track and I went back to the entrance. So I saw these beautiful cyclists going for a cycle. So I see the road and that's the entrance. So I am okay that I am going back. So I would love to visit the place again with my friends and family. But now, see ya. So my legs started to hurt and I was pretty tired. So I wanted to go back. And as soon as I saw my apartment, I felt relieved. It was a wonderful experience visiting the park. I would like to visit it again with my friends and few of you guys. So do share, like and subscribe. So thanks for the support and see you in the next video. Bye.